Yo, Jonah, what me think there, brother?
Yeah, we are talking about that.
Yo, dog, what you mean by what me a talk about my youth? You don't see how to cut out the fuck with my youth.
You walk and fuck you come and carry off no boy.
As me done me back me $1,000, Mr. Brother. My money there.
Party boy, really fun.
Yeah, give me back the money today in my youth.
Fuck you come and talk about. My second time this now I did for you week in a par. Really fun.
Yo, think of that. Why not? Yo, what's up there? Yo, what's up? Yo, kill us for money. Yo,